Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a detailed first look at the 2026 Volvo XC60, one of the most refined and sophisticated luxury SUVs in its segment. For years, the XC60 has been a favorite among drivers who appreciate Scandinavian design, advanced safety technology, premium comfort, and practical everyday usability. Now, Volvo is taking that formula even further. With the latest 2026 model, the new XC60 arrives with updated styling, improved technology, enhanced comfort features, and a driving experience that continues to focus on refinement rather than outright aggression. It's a vehicle designed for people who value elegance, intelligence, and quality craftsmanship. As we approach the SUV, the first thing that immediately stands out is its clean and sophisticated design language. Unlike many competitors that rely on aggressive lines and oversized grilles, the XC60 embraces a more elegant approach. The result is a luxury SUV that looks modern, confident, and timeless. At the front, the signature Volvo grille remains one of the most recognizable elements of the vehicle. The grille has been subtly updated for 2026, featuring a more refined pattern and premium finishes depending on trim level. The iconic Volvo badge remains proudly positioned at the center, creating a strong visual identity. Flanking the grille are Volvo's famous Thor's hammer-LED headlights. These headlights continue to be among the most distinctive lighting designs in the automotive industry. For 2026, lighting technology has been enhanced to provide better visibility, faster adaptive responses, and improved efficiency. The daytime running lights create a unique signature that instantly identifies the vehicle as a Volvo. Whether viewed during the day or at night, the XC60 maintains a strong and sophisticated presence on the road. Moving lower, the front bumper features carefully integrated air intakes that improve airflow while maintaining the clean appearance that Volvo is known for. Every line appears purposeful, contributing to both aesthetics and functionality. Walking around the side profile, the XC60 demonstrates perfect proportions. The roofline flows smoothly toward the rear while maintaining excellent interior space. The body surfaces are clean and uncluttered, creating a sense of modern luxury. The shoulder line running from front to rear adds character without becoming excessive. Volvo's designers understand that simplicity often creates the most enduring designs, and the XC60 is a perfect example of that philosophy. Wheel options for the 2026 model range from stylish 19-inch designs to impressive 22-inch premium alloy wheels. Depending on the trim, buyers can choose between sporty, elegant, or luxury-focused wheel styles that dramatically influence the SUV's overall appearance. The side mirrors feature integrated turn signals, heating functions, and available power folding technology. These practical features enhance everyday convenience, while maintaining the premium feel expected in this segment. As we continue toward the rear, the iconic Volvo taillights remain one of the vehicle's most recognizable design elements, extending vertically along the rear pillars. These lights create a distinctive appearance that stands out immediately. The rear tailgate design emphasizes both practicality and elegance. The power-operated tailgate opens wide, providing easy access to the cargo area. Families, travelers, and active lifestyle owners will appreciate the generous storage capacity available behind the rear seats. With the exterior tour complete, let's step inside, because this is where the 2026 XC60 truly showcases Volvo's commitment to luxury and comfort. Opening the doors reveals an interior that feels calm, modern, and exceptionally well crafted. The Scandinavian design philosophy is evident throughout the cabin. Rather than overwhelming occupants with excessive buttons and flashy details, Volvo focuses on clean lines, premium materials, and thoughtful ergonomics. The dashboard layout is beautifully minimalist. High-quality materials cover nearly every visible surface. Soft touch materials, genuine wood accents, brushed metal trim, and premium upholstery combine to create an environment that feels genuinely luxurious. The seats deserve special recognition. Volvo has long been known for producing some of the most comfortable seats in the automotive industry, and the 2026 XC60 continues that tradition. The front seats offer excellent support while remaining incredibly comfortable during long-distance journeys. Multiple power adjustments allow drivers and passengers to find their ideal seating position. Higher trims add heating, ventilation, and massage functions that further elevate comfort levels. The steering wheel feels substantial and premium in hand. Controls are intuitively placed, allowing drivers to access important functions without distraction. Behind the steering wheel sits a fully digital instrument cluster that displays essential information in a clear and attractive format. At the center of the dashboard, a large infotainment display serves as the technology hub of the vehicle. Volvo's latest software offers faster processing speeds, improved graphics, and enhanced responsiveness. Wireless smartphone integration comes standard, allowing seamless access to navigation, calls, messages, and entertainment. Voice control capabilities have also been improved, making it easier to interact with vehicle functions while keeping attention focused on the road. One of the most impressive aspects of the cabin is the attention given to noise reduction. Volvo engineers have worked extensively to minimize road noise, wind noise, and vibrations. The result is an exceptionally quiet environment that promotes relaxation during every journey. Rear seat passengers are equally well accommodated. Legroom and headroom remain generous, allowing adults to travel comfortably even on longer trips. Premium materials extend throughout the cabin, ensuring that every passenger enjoys a first-class experience. Storage solutions have been thoughtfully integrated throughout the interior. Large door pockets, center console storage, cup holders, and various compartments provide practical space for everyday items. Under the hood, the 2026 Volvo XC60 is expected to continue offering a range of efficient and powerful powertrains. Depending on market availability, buyers may choose from mild hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and electrified powertrain options. The plug-in hybrid variant remains particularly attractive. It combines strong performance with impressive efficiency, allowing drivers to complete many daily commutes using electric power alone while maintaining the flexibility of a gasoline engine for longer trips. Performance is smooth, refined, and confidence inspiring. The XC60 prioritizes comfort and composure over aggressive sportiness. Acceleration is effortless, and power delivery remains linear and predictable. Ride quality continues to be one of the XC60's greatest strengths. Advanced suspension systems absorb road imperfections effectively, creating a comfortable driving experience for both driver and passengers. Volvo's commitment to safety remains unmatched. The 2026 XC60 includes a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems designed to help prevent accidents and protect occupants. Features are expected to include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, collision avoidance systems, emergency braking technology, traffic sign recognition, and advanced parking assistance. These technologies work together to reduce driver stress and improve confidence during daily driving situations. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Volvo XC60 is expected to remain competitive within the luxury compact SUV segment. Industry estimates suggest a starting price of approximately $49,000 to $55,000 for entry-level models. Higher trims, equipped with premium luxury packages, advanced technology, and plug-in hybrid powertrains could reach between $65,000 and $75,000, depending on configuration and options. For buyers seeking a luxury SUV that prioritizes comfort, safety, technology, efficiency, and elegant design, the XC60 remains one of the strongest choices available. The 2026 Volvo XC60 successfully builds upon everything that has made this model so popular. It offers sophisticated styling, a beautifully crafted interior, advanced technology, impressive safety features, and refined driving dynamics in a package that feels genuinely premium. Whether you're upgrading from an older Volvo, considering your first luxury SUV, or simply looking for a vehicle that balances practicality with elegance, the new XC60 deserves serious consideration.
all good.